Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, can you print photos from Google Photos? And yes, you can print photos from Google Photos. And I will show you how to do this on Android device, and then I will move to the iPhone because it's a bit different. On your Android, you need to open Google Photos application. Of course, make sure that you use your correct account or switch to your correct account. Then select the photo what you want to print. Let's say this one. You need to click at the three dots at the right top and click at the print. Then at the top, so I have save as PDF. If you have the same, you need to click at this icon and select your printer. And then click at the print icon here. Okay. And I just did it. Now let's move to the iPhone. On the iPhone, open Google Photos application. Also make sure that you use your correct account and then select the photo what you want to print. Let's say this one. Now, on Android we click at the three dots, but on the iPhone you need to click Share at the left bottom. Scroll down and right here we have Print. Click on it. Then you need to select Printer at the top. And then click at the print icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.